Welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do some shish kebab with some Turkish bread. I'm going to make bread myself. So what we've got for this is 150 ml of warm water, 150 ml of warm milk, 5 grams of yeast. Get that a little mixed up. 10 grams of granulated sugar, 4 grams of salt, and 420 grams of plain flour. Gradually mix this in. Cover that up, put it in a warm place, and give it about 20 minutes, half hour or an hour, see how much it rises. So for the chicken, cut these into chunks. Grab a Ziploc bag, put the bits of chicken in. Get some of this very lazy chopped garlic. Nice heaped teaspoon. Nice bit of olive oil. Give them a mix up. And some Colemans chicken kebab. Big night in. Yeah! Nice bit of seasoning. Put half of it in for now. Get the rest of that, put that in now. And we'll let that marinade room temperature, and we'll be back soon. So, see you soon.
20 minutes later. 20 minutes later.
Okay, so now we've got our kebabs on the go, which are over there. Our dough has risen, probably about twice the size, which I'm happy about. So I'll just get this out. Into a bowl with some flour. Help it stop it sticking, obviously. And to me, and just give this a little roll up, bit of kneading. Let them sit for a minute. Okay, so we've got our kebabs are done. They're over here. Very, very tasty. It smelled lovely. So we'll leave them alone. Do is get the dry pan and get the heat on. So we have to get the heat so the pan is really hot just before it starts smoking. So when you do these, I'll have to put the fan on. So you just put them in, give it a few minutes, check the underside of them, get a bit of colour on them, and then flop them over. You'll see little bubbles appearing. Flop this over. Rise a little bit. That's quite cool. There he goes here. Okay, so we've got our nice flatbreads, and we'll dress these up with the kebabs and be back in a minute. So, here we go. Chicken kebabs, shish kebabs with some Turkish bread. They didn't puff up how I liked. I've done some the other day. I should have filmed them ones because they puffed up really nicely. But you know, these are okay. So these smell absolutely lovely. I need to nick a bit of this chicken. Lovely garlic. A little bit of heat with that mix, but it's quite a nice mix. So we're going to go and eat this. I'm going to give one of these to Mrs. Urban, and we'll see you next time. See you later, guys. Bye.